Good afternoon, everybody. Storm Team here today, and we're back with another Madden Mobile 24 video. And today we're claiming our Devin Hester 10-year anniversary card for the Arctic Blitz. I just completed it today. Ended up getting a Brandon Ayuk epic, which finished it off for me. We're gonna drag our gloves in there. We're going to claim our reward. And we're going to take the wide receiver. And now we have finished the 10th anniversary. So we're going to claim ourselves that. New uniform. And now we're going to upgrade the team. And here we go. Look at this, guys. 151 overall. That is just beautiful. This is how our team's going so far. Almost to 4,000. Oh my god. Well, this is going to be it for this video, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, turn on all those post notifications, and if you have not yet, don't forget to make that red subscribe button as gray as possible. We're on the road to 400 subscribers. Peace.